G'day guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be fitting my Red5 Carbon Fibre interior door trims. I'm going to be filming a few videos today. Obviously this video is going to be about these Red5 Carbon Fibre interior door spears. So we'll go through that in this video, but also I'm going to do a 6-week review on the Geon wet coat because I haven't washed it and it's holding up pretty well. So we'll do a video on that. I've got the new style Revo badges. So thank you very much for Martin at MJ Performance in Plymouth. And Timmy, who's behind the scenes there, thank you very much. These guys were able to source these for me really quickly and ship them out. Revo Australia are waiting quite a while on a shipment, so I appreciate that very much, thank you. Sticking with the Revo theme, I've got some new ST inlays from DMB. These are going to replace the current ones that are Mountune themed. And Adrian here in Australia has printed me some 3D center caps, so that I don't keep losing the genuine Oz Racing. So I've got these gel badges to go on. Sticking slightly with the Mountune theme because I've got yellow stuff pads in the rear and I've got the mud flaps on still from Mountune. I've got the Helios yellow fog light armour from that fog light guy in England. So if you want to see more of these, then subscribe and stick around. But today is all about these. So it's going to be a really simple job. You just need a good trim removal tool. You can do it with a screwdriver, but that'll be a bit harsh on your plastics. You want to get in up the top. You want to pull this bit out because it's got, I'll show you in a bit, it's just got a little locator point that jabs into the door there. And then you just want to work your way down with this. It's hard with one hand, but just work your way down. It's got clips. I'll finish it off. You can just probably pull it from there, and then when you get it out, you want to pull away like that, just because it's got this clip that goes in here, and that's a little locator that goes into a hole up there. Simple as that. I'll remove the other one. Same process on this side. Jam that in, pull that out, pop it out of there, and you just work your way down. There we go. This is literally all you're going to need for the job is your trim removal tool and some glue. I'm using some Gorilla Glue. If it doesn't hold up to the high temperatures of an Aussie summer, I'll have to use something like liquid nails, but for now I'm going to go with that. And how good do they look in the sun? They are sex. This is the difference between real carbon and a wrap or hydro dip, although you do pay for it. What I've decided to do is scuff this surface up a little bit so that the glue's got something not so smooth to stick to, a bit more rough. Who the hell can't find sandpaper? Anyway, I can't. So I'm just going to use a file just to scuff it, and then I'll give it all a good clean, and then we'll be ready to glue it down. So there we go, we've got one done. I didn't go right to the edge, just in case the carbon doesn't completely meet the edge and it's exposed. Obviously I have there, but around the bottom edge as well, I haven't gone all the way to the edge. So we'll do the other one, we'll clean them up and we'll be ready. Right, now it's time to use the glue. This has got a very quick bond time, but a 24-hour cure time. So what we're going to do, we're going to put some glue on this outer surface, put some glue on this inner surface. We're going to let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to join them together. They should be right to install in an hour or two, but yeah, 24-hour cure time. One other thing I will mention, Red5 Carbon Fibre did say that these were a direct replacement for these. Clearly they're not, because they don't have all the clips and whatnot to install back on, and there's not much room, there's not much sort of bonding surface on the actual door card itself for this to join to. So I'm gluing this to this. I'll do that off camera because I want 2 hands to do a neat job of it. And that's it all stuck down. The fit's pretty good. At the top end here, I've put the rubber bands on just so that it gets a really good cure. It was coming away just a tiny bit, but I think that the glue will hold it. And then obviously that's going to fit straight back in where it's supposed to. Here we are about 5 hours later, and how good do they look? Hopefully they match up nicely once it's fitted. You can see that clicks in there, and then you've got your little bits that line up along the way. Make sure this tab goes into the door up here before you try and click in that one, and maybe even that one, and then that'll make your life a hell of a lot easier. So we'll try to do this one-handed. What could go wrong? So push it in, it goes back. There we go. Nice and easy. As soon as you get that far enough back, it's nice and easy. Get that in. There we go. That's it. And that looks sensational. Should have done this sooner. Thanks for watching another one. Very easy install. It's literally just gluing them on. But they make the world of difference. They look so good. And matching my carbon gear knob and my carbon handbrake hole filler from DC 3D Designs. Use code 4010 and get a discount on them. I think that's just enough carbon now inside the car. I don't know if I'd want to get much more, but really happy with these. Like them a lot. Look them up on Facebook, Red5 Carbon Fibre. Cheers for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.